Everything you trust about Fluke is now available in a new line of insulated hand tools. From the moment you put them in your hand, Fluke insulated tools always feel right. The screwdrivers give you maximum torque and a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue. A slim shaft allows access to hard-to-reach places. Superior insulation is ergonomically designed, certified by VDE to 1,000 volts, tested to 10,000 volts. Fluke's rugged hand tools are built to last a lifetime and are guaranteed for life. The pliers offer a smooth, solid motion with no need for break-in. Finger guards help maintain your grip in the proper spot. Fluke 1,000 volt insulated hand tools. Safe, rugged, Fluke. Lifetime warranty.